The clock was ticking. I was already running late. In the chaos of throwing on my gear, one thought keeps circling in my mind. This wasn't even planned. At the very last moment, call from a buddy changed everything. With no time to think, I said yes. And just like that, a spontaneous ride began. Since nothing was planned, the bike wasn't even ready, not washed, not checked. Just gave a rear brake a quick adjustment, and that was it. Without wasting more time, we decided to head straight towards Marcel to catch up with Vishwanath, since he had already left long ago. So let's go. Now that we are finally on the bike, let me take you back to how this ride even began. I had recently joined a new company and the daily 9 to 5 grind was leaving me completely drained. This Sunday, the only plan I had was to just take rest. So I woke up late and the very first thing I saw was the missed calls from my buddies. When I called back, all I heard was, "Let's go for a ride." At first I denied. I was just wanted to take some rest, but then Mohit showed up at my house insisting I come along. Within just 30 seconds, I rinsed my bike, geared up, and we hit the road. Okay, let's just calm down. Feel the bike first. It's just a start.
ब्रेक तो टाइट झाला गावले ना तो याले असे वयर आले रे आणि माझे ब्रेक तो टाइट झाला मास्क प्रेस केला देता डायरेक्ट याले यो असे
After the ferry, we soon caught up with Vishwanath and the rest of the group. The plan was simple now: ride together and head straight towards Mollem, Goa. With the squad united and the journey had truly begun. By the time we are deep into the ride, the hunger has already kicked in. Since none of us had a breakfast, we decided to stop early and turn it into a lunch break. After lunch, we head back on the road. The energy was high, the roads were open, and in the spirit of the ride, we shared a masti, all in a safe and open stretch, just enjoying the journey together. Finally reached our destination. Inside the temple, we paused for a while, captured a few memories with some pictures, and then we spotted a group of locals with an impulse. A quick conversation turned into a laughter, and soon we clicked pictures together. They told us about a hidden waterfall nearby and offered us to guide us there. What started as an unplanned ride was now turning into an adventure we haven't imagined. Just one line. Let's get into water. And very next second, I will know the ocean. Completely unplanned, completely unexpected, and yet, these are the moments we all enjoy. With the sun slowly dipping in and the memories made, It was time to hit the road again and start the journey back home. As the sun sets and the day comes to an end, let the calm note of a GT exhaust accomplish this beautiful ride. Thank you for watching, and what a wonderful day it was.